challenge yourself to become a better photographer in 30 days. Challenge number 3, silhouettes. Silhouette. Well, do you remember back in elementary school whenever your teacher had you sit very still and they had a light showing on you, and either another teacher or a friend of yours had to draw an outline of your head, and then they gave you that to take home and give to mom and dad? Well, that was a silhouette. And back in the day, well before elementary school, you paid good money to have somebody do your silhouette, and you would have it there at home and put it on the desk and people would admire it. Well, that's kind of gone by the wayside. But today we can still do silhouettes in our photography. Now, photography, sometimes we call it a sunset, and it's actually really a silhouette with all the colors behind it. Meaning that a silhouette is just a lack of detail in the foreground. Take, for instance, this one. This was supposed to be a sunrise photo, but because the sun got too high in the sky, there was too much just regular white, yellow light, and so everything in the foreground lost its detail, and so it became a silhouette. The cool thing about a silhouette, though, is that it kind of gives you, as the viewer, a little bit more imaginative power, in that, okay, I get the general idea of it. Now I can think, what is that dock like? What is the weather like? All those things. So it's a way of capturing more of a feel and emotion rather than just being an honest, detailed picture. So you might want to incorporate that in some of your work. It makes for a good photographer. Some of us are already good at it because I'm sure you got that one guy at the office. He was on Zoom, and of course, he chose to put his computer right in front of his big bay window, and light was coming in right behind him. And whenever you saw him, all you could see was the outline or silhouette of your coworker. So some of us are already good at it, but it's good to perfect that to where it becomes more of an artistic value rather than just a mistake made on Zoom. We'd love to see your photos in this challenge. You can always tag us at Phototropics30, and we'd love to be able to take the time to share your photos with others as good examples of succeeding in the 30-day challenge. We look forward to seeing you again on challenge number 4, which is, tune in next time and we'll let you know.